So I've got here an Aicok. Got this on Amazon. It's a little egg cooker. This is essentially what it comes with. It comes with two little rounded pieces if you want to just pour your eggs inside two little plastic round pieces. But this is mostly how I use it. It's got room for 7 eggs. You can see right there. So it just sits right inside the cooker. Comes with a cup with the measuring lines on it, so you know how many to put. And then it has a little puncture piece on the bottom for the top of the egg. So this is the actual cooker, the bottom, so you can wrap your power line or your cord. This is the on-off switch. Pretty much it only has 2 switches to turn it on, off, and then I guess this is just a straight cook. It doesn't auto shut off, so if you have it switched to the left for the little steam, it'll cook. Once the water is gone, it'll start beeping really loud. So if you want to do this quietly in the morning, I would not suggest using the one with the alarm, because it'll wake everybody up because it's extremely loud. I would set it to the other side, but if you set it to the other side, you have to continuously check it because it won't, the alarm won't actually go off, so you'll have to actually check it every few minutes. The one thing I did note is if you happen to accidentally put in an egg that was cracked, that leaks yolk on the bottom, it doesn't clean very well. This is after I noticed one of the eggs had cracked, and then it cooked all the way through, so it'll actually cook out this egg that's down at the yolk that's down at the bottom if you don't catch it before it cooks. And then it's actually very hard to clean. It doesn't affect the use of it, it just doesn't look that great. But that's after really trying to scrub it down and clean it good. You can't dip it in water or anything like that, so you could just use a damp cloth to clean it, but it's about as clean as I was able to get it. That's the only thing I noticed about this thing. It's just very simple, very basic egg cooker.